We know that human beings and animals are either male or female. So there are two types of gender, the masculine gender referring to the male nouns and the feminine gender referring to the female nouns. Now we have already learnt about some of the examples of the masculine and the feminine gender. Today we are going to learn about some more such words. Now son is a masculine gender because it refers to the male noun, whereas daughter refers to the female noun and is hence of the feminine gender. Husband belongs to the masculine gender, whereas wife refers to the feminine gender. The monk refers to the masculine gender, whereas the nun refers to the feminine gender. So in all these cases you see the male nouns are referred to as the masculine gender, and each of these male nouns have a different name for the female nouns and they are referred to as the feminine gender. The emperor is also of the masculine gender and the corresponding feminine gender is empress. Washerman belongs to the masculine gender, whereas washerwoman belongs to the feminine gender. Now how do we identify the gender in this case? Well, the word man. We know that man refers to the masculine gender and woman refers to the feminine gender. Now in this word washerman, the word man is actually referring to the male noun. So therefore, we can identify that washerman refers to the masculine gender. Similarly, in washerwoman, the word woman is signifying that this noun refers to the feminine gender. Drake is the male duck and hence it is the masculine gender, whereas duck refers to the feminine gender. Drone is the male bee, hence it is of the masculine gender, whereas bee refers to the feminine gender. Sir is used to refer to the male noun and hence it is of the masculine gender. Similarly, madam is used to refer to the female noun, so it is of the feminine gender. Fox is used to refer to the male animal, hence it is of the masculine gender. Similarly, vixen is the feminine gender referring to the female fox. So vixen is the female fox and is hence of the feminine gender. So in some cases you have noticed that we use completely different words to refer to the male noun and the female noun, whereas some cases we have some easy indications as in washerman or washerwoman, where the word itself gives us a clue to identify whether the noun is masculine or feminine. So here we have some more words of masculine and feminine genders. For masculine gender we have manservant, the feminine gender is maidservant. Nephew, masculine. Niece, feminine. Bridegroom, masculine. Bride, feminine. Bachelor is masculine, whereas spinster is of feminine gender. Similarly here, colt, gander, dog and ram belong to the masculine gender, whereas filly, goose, bitch and ewe form the feminine gender. So in all these cases you see, we have different names for masculine gender and feminine gender. So the feminine gender of nephew is niece, feminine gender of gander is goose, the feminine gender of ram is ewe, bachelor is spinster and so on. So you need to learn the different names of the masculine gender and the feminine gender in all these cases and remember which one refers to which gender. Rewrite the sentence changing the gender of the underlined words. The sentence is, my nephew is a bachelor. Now here what do we see? nephew and bachelor, both these words are underlined and we need to change the gender of these words. Now both these words are referring to the masculine gender. So what do we need to do? We need to replace them using their corresponding feminine gender. So the feminine gender of nephew is niece, whereas the feminine gender of bachelor is spinster. So our correct answer would be my niece is a spinster. So nephew and bachelor refer to the masculine gender. The feminine gender of nephew is niece and the feminine gender of bachelor is spinster. Rewrite the sentence by changing the masculine gender into the feminine gender. Now here the important thing is we have to change only the masculine gender into the feminine gender. And the given sentence is a colt and an ewe came to the pond to drink water. Now can you identify the masculine gender in this sentence? Well, it is the word colt. Ewe is already a feminine gender, so we need not change this word. So the feminine gender of the word colt will be filly. Hence our new sentence will become a filly and an ewe came to the pond to drink water. So today you have learnt about some new words which are used to refer to the masculine gender, and also you have learnt about the corresponding feminine gender. And we have seen how we use different words to refer to the masculine as well as the feminine gender. Now you can also try and find out as many words which are used to refer to the masculine gender and the feminine gender and see if you can identify the gender of the nouns. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests. Performance analysis along with actionable feedback. Personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at DeltaStep, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.